There's a moment every growing company hits where the way you've been tracking asset just breaks. Suddenly, you've got equipment nobody can find and no way to tell what needs service until it's already down. That's when you Google asset tracking software and get buried in tools that range from free to thousands a month. Well, we've done the research, so you don't have to. We'll walk you through 3 levels of asset tracking with the right tools for each. And stick around to the end for a free option. Asset management can mean anything from scanning QR codes to full lifecycle management and predictive monitoring. So we're going to break it into tiers. Let's start with the most basic level of asset tracking, scan and find. If your biggest headache right now is just figuring out where things are and who has them, you're here. Maybe you're in construction, field service, or really any industry where equipment moves between job sites, and somehow nobody ever knows where it ended up. Platforms like GoCodes fixes that. This one's built for small to mid-sized teams and centers on QR code labels. You get mobile scanning and GPS location tracking. It also supports check-in, check-out, and basic maintenance scheduling. Here's how it works. From the app, you scan the code, pull up the asset details, and check it out to a specific person. When it comes back, check it in the same way. Plus, you can assign assets to specific job sites, crews, and projects. You can even tie tasks like inspections to individual assets, then appoint them to specific people. Pricing starts at around $500 a year, so it's one of the more accessible options out there in my book. No sensors, no Internet of Things, just scan, find, and get back to work. A couple of things to watch out for, though. Some people I've talked to have reported issues with Apple devices, and attaching documents to assets isn't as smooth as it could be. If you're not sure whether a tool like GoCodes is enough for what you need, we can help you figure that out and even get you demos. Just visit softwareconnect.com. Link is in the description. Okay, so maybe you know where your assets are, but now things are breaking and you didn't see it coming. Or you've got no clear record of who has what condition it's in, or when it needs servicing. This is where you go from locating assets to actually managing them. CanFigure is one of my top recommendations if you're running vehicles, fleet equipment, infrastructure, basically anything with a maintenance lifecycle tied to how much it's used. It's a CMMS and asset management system you can deploy in the cloud or on-premise. How does it work? Let's say you have a fleet of F-150s. Inside CanFigure, each truck has its own profile with a make, model, VIN, and a maintenance tab. Here you can track its current condition and odometer readings. You can also set up maintenance schedules that trigger either by time or by a reading, like mileage. CanFigure creates a work order whenever that threshold hits, complete with checklists and a photo attachment for your techs. They can manage it all from a mobile app in the field. And if you're tracking buildings and drainage, CanFigure handles that too with its GIS integration. Assets get pinned to GPS coordinates. You can filter by category on a map, and work orders flow to the same structure. Pricing starts at $395 per month with 5 users included. Now, if your needs are more about who has what across your organization, that's EZO. It works across industries, healthcare, education, construction, managing things like medical equipment and educational assets. Everything lives in a single catalog, and checkouts and check-ins are fast. Plus, there's a self-service requester portal so your team stops pinging you on Slack. Every request funnels through a single fulfillment center on your end. EZO starts at $40 a month for 250 items. If you're specifically an IT team, EZO does have a dedicated product called Asset Sonar. It's designed to manage the full life cycle of hardware and software. New hires get assigned hardware and software seats through auto checkout flows. And because software is tracked just like hardware, you can see exactly which licenses are being used and which ones you're overpaying for come renewal time. Okay, now we're at the top of the ladder. If downtime on critical equipment is costing you real money, whether that's production lines, infrastructure, whatever, this is where IoT comes in. You're not scanning codes here. You're using sensors, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, or IoT. Your assets are continuously monitored, and the system tells you when something's failing before it actually goes down. Here's where I'd recommend something like TRACTIAN for industrial and heavy asset environments. Think of it like a Fitbit for your equipment. It starts with their conditioning monitoring sensors. These devices capture 3-axis vibration, surface temperature, RPM, runtime. In other words, they're listening to your equipment 24/7. TRACTIAN's team helps you get set up. They come to your facility, pinpoint your most critical assets, and install the sensors. Once they're live, the system starts learning each asset's baseline condition. And with continuous monitoring, you'll get health reports with failure scores. Alignment, losslessness, balancing, lubrication. And if something starts to deviate, you'll get an alert with AI-generated root cause analysis. It's not just telling you something's wrong, it's telling you here's what and here's why. And it doesn't stop at detection. You can create inspections for your maintenance team, track failure progression, and log downtime savings. That way you're not just catching problems, you're actually proving the ROI of catching them. Pricing here starts at $60 per user per month with a 5-user minimum, though the full sensor bundle with AI predictive maintenance requires a custom quote. You can also check out Coast App. It's not an IoT sensor monitoring solution, but it still provides lifecycle tracking and QR code access to equipment details. Now, I promised you a free option, and that's Sortly, which has a free plan for startups and small businesses tracking fewer than 100 unique items. That's rare in this space. You get in-app barcode and QR scanning, and the interface is really simple and easy to figure out. It's great if you're a small retail store or school, but if you're in manufacturing or healthcare with more complex inventory, you'll likely outgrow it and move to a paid plan. Not sure which tier fits you? We can get you personalized software recommendations at softwareconnect.com. We'll help match you with the right platform. Or you can check out our asset tracking software roundup for even more deep dives into our top picks. And if you want to explore more tools like these, check out our video roundup on the top CMMS and equipment rental software. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.